Today on Mike Attempts, replacing Honda Civic air filters. We'll start with the engine air filter. Release the single metal spring clip on the right and the two on the left. Raise the top of the airbox, grab the edge of the filter, lift up slightly, and pull out. If there's any debris in the bottom of the airbox, vacuum it out. Here's the new engine air filter. See the links in the description below. Insert the new filter, making sure the flat side is facing up and the tapered edge is pointed toward the back. Resecure the 3 clips and you're done. Now the cabin air filter. Open the glove box. Squeeze in the sides and pull down. Push in the clips on each side of the filter cover and pull forward to release. Grab the front of the filter and pull out. Pay attention to the airflow arrows on the side of the filter and below the filter slot. I had to turn this filter upside down so the arrows were pointing in the same direction. Slide in the new filter. Snap on the cover. Squeeze the glove box, close it up, and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.